Hello everyone, this is again Niall from Best RV down in Terrace, California. You could not believe what's happening right now. As we speaking, you know, everybody know Cherokee ForestRiver Tiny Home 16 ml and everybody want to buy it, the one with the bathroom in the front, or the 20 OG, the one with the bed in the top and a king size bed in the front. Well, this time they did it right, and Best RV has the first shipment. You need to run to Best RV. I'm producing for you the brand new 2025 ForestRiver Cherokee 27MDK. Unbelievable. You see here as we speaking, everybody looking at it, it has two patios, not in the back. Everybody have patio in the back, and people, they're complaining it's too long, the sun beat them up, rain. But this one has two patio in the side. You have a nice tiny home with two patio in the side. And guess what? Not just that, they give you two power awning will cover the patio. And then there's a place for a TV, as you see over there. You can put a TV outside. Beautiful outdoor. They did the right. If everybody look at the brand new houses, what they do, they're bringing the outside living inside, and that's what they did it on the Cherokee Tiny Home 27MDK. Coming in. As you see right now, in the Cherokee 27, they did two patio system. You have another patio system to the side, where you have the indoor to outdoor living, and then they have another one over here.
And then this.
They have another outdoor from your master bedroom to outside. So when you're, as you see right now, you have a nice patio living from the living room, and you have another patio from the bedroom. Come in and look at the brand new 27MDK from Cherokee, the nice tiny home with two patio system. Coming in. As you see, I'm inside the tiny home. It's a beautiful tiny home from ForestRiver Cherokee. It's the 27MDK. It has, they did it right. Unbelievable. They brought the outdoor living inside, so I could walk in here. You have a nice patio system in the side with a shade, not like the others, no shade. I have, as I said, I have also a beautiful kitchen. While I'm sitting in the kitchen, I could look up from here as well. I could look up from brand new, again, I call them tiny homes, whatever you want to call them, by ForestRiver Cherokee 27MDK. It's amazing. This is they did it right. Everybody put a veranda in the back, a patio in the back, but they're missing the point. Look what they did. They brought the outdoor living inside with a beautiful two-side patio. Not even one, they give you two. One in the living room, one in the bedroom. I have here Christian Elias, he's represented from ForestRiver Cherokee Division. Him and his team, they brought this to the market. It's unbelievable. Chris, I really appreciate what you guys did. It's amazing.
Thank you, Niall.
Tell us about the 27MDK.
Yeah, thank you, Niall. So last year we brought out one of the most innovative products that ForestRiver's ever brought out with the Cherokee 16ML. With so much success, we wanted to double down this year, and we really wanted to focus on the Terrace and not lose the square footage inside. And so a lot of manufacturers in the industry, you know, they're adding the decks, but you lose the square footage inside. So what we did, we added the campsite terrace. Like you said, we did two decks. So when you're waking up in the morning, you got a place for your morning coffee, but we also wanted to have that entertainment on the outside to be able to, you know, let the dogs off the leash somewhere where you can eat and really entertain your guests. There's nothing that's been like this ever created, and what is amazing for this year and years to come is that we have had this system patented, and we are so excited to unveil it to the world.
And again, on top of that, what I really like is when you walk in all these windows with all the lights. So I'm sitting here, even you give us a fireplace in the living room, a big TV, multiple ACs, and a ceiling fan. I love this Timberwolf lighting in the ceiling.
Absolutely.
And then you still have the master suite with the big king size bed. In the back as well, you have the big loft, actually two lofts, one over the king size bedroom and one over the bathroom. It's amazing. Tell us about the bedroom. What's unique about the bedroom?
So one thing at Cherokee, we focus on windows, storage, and exclusives. But the main reason about the main master bedroom is all the windows. We have sliding glass doors, so when you're out at the campsite, you're going to be able to see your entire campsite. The bed actually tilts up on a motor, so you know you and your partner are going to be able to drink coffee coffee, read a book, and it's fully walk around. There's also going to be a washer dryer that we're included at this price.
Oh, coming in, let me show you the nice bedroom, the one he mentioned. It's amazing. I mean, look how many windows in this master bedroom. I see a big patio door with again, a patio living. I'm standing here, as you see, another side patio with a shade. It's perfect when I go to the beach. I wake up in the morning
Exactly.
and walk in my patio, have my coffee.
Exactly. And if you have any guests or you have kids that are sleeping on the other side of the coach, there's going to be a sliding glass door in the back, so you and your partner are going to be able to exit without any noise.
Perfect. And then I see you give us the combo washer dryers included in the price.
Absolutely.
That's amazing. And then you have over here another stairs with two lofts. One loft to the left, one loft to the right, and a nice, beautiful bathroom over here. It's amazing. Oh, with a glass shower door. That's a neat. You have a nice glass shower doors. And then I love the sliding on the shower. It's amazing. Guys, again, Niall from Best RV, we always give you the best from Best RV and the lowest prices. Come in and get the first 27 MDK Cherokee from ForestRiver. We have the best and the lowest price. Shop as much you want. No one in the state of California will touch our prices. In the top of that, as everybody knows, we say it again and again, no hidden fees, no bogus fees, and free dealer print. Come get the 27 MDK. I am so excited. We can't keep them on the shelf. Come grab one before it's gone. Thank you.